decided to work double times to recover the lost time so that we have to catch up with the other developing states like Assam, Arunachal. We were the first in position, but I am very upset to hear that yesterday Arunachal has become number one. So I can't sleep alone on the bed. So I call everyone. So right from yesterday we have started taking up some development projects, stone line ceremony and inauguration. Today we have launched 5 districts transport office, and we are also launching this one, the helicopter service to Imphal, Ukhrul also. And now we are going to distribute labor organized by the labor department benefit to around 20,000 beneficiaries of the many schemes, various schemes. I cannot detail out right now. And tomorrow also we are going to inaugurate one, tourist training center at the Imphal at around 10:30. And the day after tomorrow we are going to launch the long-awaited dreams of the Manipur public, the first of its kind, the water park in the Awan Cosmo Singh, which costs around 50 crores before the summer, because so that the families and the citizens can enjoy their life and they feel cool there, after the hectic works. So before, not only that, some projects also going to be inaugurated in the Manipur area, but right now we are not fixing the timing. And even it is very unfortunate with the recovery of the situation becoming normalcy. Election has come. If election is better delayed, more inauguration has should have been done. Thank you.
Offices in Manipur, which are District Transport Office, Jiribam, District Transport Office, Kapching, District Transport Office, Noni, District Transport Office, Ferzo, and District Transport Office, Kamjong, by Honorable Chief Minister Shri N.Biren Singh, in presence of Honorable Transport Minister Shri on this auspicious day of 11 March 2024. Helicopter passenger service under MHA subsidy scheme by Honorable Chief Minister Manipur Shri N.Biren Singh, in presence of Honorable Transport Minister Shri on this auspicious day of 11 March 2024.